Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can share your screen in Bigo Live. So from PC it's actually really easy. So you will get the uh, Bigo Live apps, like standalone apps to actually stream into Bigo Live. So they do have a option to share your screen, or if you're using any video cards, video capture cards that can also be hooked to your Bigo Live streamer connector. If you're using the OBS stream, it's then really easy. You just need to have a display capture. So I'm just capturing the screen. So look at this. You're gonna click on this add icon there, and look at this. So you can capture another display, and there's another video capture device. Just capture it, then add it to your this preview, and just start the stream normally as you do it. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.